Have you ever wondered why so many of us chase after money, success, and recognition, yet still feel something missing inside? We often believe that happiness comes when we finally earn more, buy more, or achieve more. But is that really true? Or could it be that happiness is not something far away, but something already within reach, if only we knew how to see it? First key, contentment. One of the simplest secrets to happiness is learning to be content. Too often we compare ourselves with others, what they have, what they do, where they go. This endless comparison leads to envy and restlessness. But when we pause and appreciate what we already have, our health, our loved ones, even the small joys of daily life, we realize life is not as empty as we think. Gratitude doesn't mean we stop growing, but it frees us from the illusion that more always equals better. Second key, relationships. Happiness also grows from meaningful connections. We are social beings. No amount of wealth can replace the warmth of family, the support of true friends, or the love we share with others. People often forget this, chasing work or possessions while neglecting the bonds that nourish the heart. Taking time to listen, to care, and to truly be present with those we love brings a kind of joy that money cannot buy. Third key, health and well-being. Another foundation of happiness is caring for both body and mind. Without health, even the greatest success feels empty. Exercise, rest, and nourishing food strengthen the body. Just as importantly, peace of mind is cultivated through mindfulness, reflection, or simply allowing ourselves to slow down. A healthy body and a calm mind open the door to a deeper, lasting happiness, one that no external achievement can provide. Fourth key, simplicity and letting go. Happiness often hides behind the clutter we hold on to, both in our surroundings and in our minds. The more we attach to possessions, status, or even old grudges, the heavier life feels. Simplicity is not about losing, but about gaining freedom. When we let go of unnecessary weight, we create space for peace, clarity, and joy to enter. True richness is found not in what we keep, but in what we can live without. Fifth key, purpose and meaning. A happy life is not only about feeling good, but also about living with meaning. When we discover a sense of purpose, whether through work, creativity, kindness, or service, life feels more alive. Each day becomes more than just routine. It becomes a chance to contribute and grow. Even small acts done with sincerity can give life a depth that money can never buy. Purpose turns ordinary days into extraordinary ones. So, what is true happiness? It is not something we need to chase endlessly, nor is it waiting at the finish line of success. It is here, now, in the way we see, the way we care, and the way we live each day. Happiness comes not from wealth, but from wisdom, knowing when to let go, when to give, and when to simply be present. Take this moment to pause and ask yourself, if happiness is already within me, how will I choose to live from today onward?